Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to buy Amazon gift card with Google Play balance. So here's the thing, you can't directly use your Google Play balance to buy Amazon gift card because Google Play credits are specifically for purchasing content within the Google Play Store like apps, games, movies and subscriptions, and they can't be converted to cash or used for gift cards from other retailers including Amazon. Some users have tried to exchange Google Play credits for other forms of currency or gift cards by selling or trading their credits through third-party platforms or by transferring the balance to someone else's account. However, these methods carry risks and are not officially supported by Google or Amazon and require trust between parties. If you're looking to use your Google Play balance for purchases outside the Play Store, consider looking into the third-party platforms that may accept Google Play credits, but keep in mind the risks and limitations involved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.